Xingtai Fulangmu Filter Manufacture Company Limited, established in 1999, is a professional manufacturer specializing in automotive air filters, cabin air filters, oil filters, and fuel filters. Located in Weixin County, Hebei Province, China, our annual production capacity is 20 million pieces. Our product range includes over 9,000 items, covering more than 90% of international market vehicles. Our company is certified under ISO 9001:2015 and IATF 16949, ensuring the highest standards of quality and management. With over 20 years of expertise in research, development, and production, we have built a strong reputation in the automotive filtration industry. We offer comprehensive OEM services. Our leading brand, ZYC Filter, is trusted by clients worldwide. Our facilities include 3 buildings covering more than 35,000 square meters. More than 20,000 square meters are dedicated to a state-of-the-art clean room and a large warehouse. Our workforce of 110 includes skilled workers, professional engineers, and experienced managers. Equipped with advanced machinery, our production capabilities include 10 air filter production lines, 4 air conditioning filter production lines, 2 oil filter production lines, 1 fuel filter production line. We can produce air filters, cabin air filters, and oil filters and fuel filters for passenger cars and trucks. We have invested in a professional testing laboratory equipped with advanced testing and quality control equipment to ensure the quality of raw materials and finished products. Our rigorous quality assurance processes enhance our competitive edge and meet diverse market and customer requirements. Adhering to the IATF 16949 management system, we are committed to continuous improvement, focusing on innovation, quality control, and customer satisfaction. We are committed to building lasting partnerships with clients worldwide through competitive pricing, exceptional product quality, and reliable after-sales service. We cordially invite our customers to visit our facilities and explore potential collaboration opportunities.